By the way, is this town Norway so dangerous?
Ever since the Kuroiwa family, the Yakuza, came to our town, it's been chaos around here. But the magistrates aren't doing anything about it. Maybe they're scared of the Yakuza. Well, we have samurai, but they're all cowards.
Okay, fine. That's why the magistrate here is looking for samurai.
Well, I'm looking for a samurai like you too. Then we would feel much safer. If you did your job, we wouldn't have any problems here. This is a decoration if you're not gonna use it.
Ma'am, please. You should not treat the soul of samurai like that.
When I said decoration, I mean it. Look, this is a bamboo sword. How can you even cut with this sword? I'd like to know why the police officers aren't doing anything. There's something wrong.
Hey man, bring me tea or food. Hey you. What a chance! I fight with you anytime, anywhere. I got you first. Anyway, that means I won the fight. I won the fight.
Okay, what will you say?
Alright, rice. It's been a long time.
If the police won't do it, we should organize mercenaries to defeat Yakuza.
That's a great idea.
Interesting. I'm in.
Let me join you. Let me join you hunting the Yakuza. Anjiro. I'm Nakamura Anjiro.
Jingoro. Murayama Jingoro.
I'm Yamanami Teshu. How do you do?
Well, that sounds good. You should go with them and become a real samurai. Besides, you don't have money to pay me, do you?